What's up, guys? Welcome to the last episode of Eat, Explore, Hunt here in Puerto Rico. Today's episode, doing a catch and cook. On the second to last day, finally figured out how to catch these golden tilapia. This whole time I've been calling them goldfish simply because I could not find any information on what type of species of fish it was until I had one in hand, and I sent the image to the landowner of this property, and he let us know they were called chopas. And chopas, when I looked it up, there was still very limited information. Finally came across golden tilapia. I hope you guys enjoy this last episode of Eat, Explore, Hunt here from Puerto Rico. It's our final day here in Puerto Rico. If you've seen any of my other videos, you will have seen that fishing has not been good. You know, that's not why we came here. It's kind of just a luxury of being in such a beautiful place was we were staying on a lake. Well, guys, I have no clue what kind of fish this is, but I hooked it. Oh man, hooked it real bad. Since I don't know anything about these fish, I'm using, when I can, I'm using these fish grips. Only the second fish of this entire trip. Whatever this is, the way it attacked my bait, I mean, it was aggressive. It got hooked pretty bad. It's really not bleeding all that much. It looks like a bluegill from home, but not really sure. I'm gonna let it go. First one on the crankbait. So my GoPro battery just died, so I had to switch it real quick. I kept that fish that I caught. Don't know how much of that you guys saw, and I won't know until I go to edit this video. Let me grab my scale and my fish grips real quick, just to show you how much this fish weighs. This goldfish looking thing here, and rinse it off a little bit. I'm going to keep it. 1 pound 3 ounces. That is a fat fish. Let's try and get 1 or 2 more. The last full day of my Puerto Rico trip, and we're finally figuring out how to catch fish. No, please. Thank you. Got one. Got another one. Barely hooked. Number 2 on this crankbait. This one's a lot smaller than the first one that I caught, but you know, now that we have 2, we're keeping 2. All right, folks, while our oil heats up, I'm gonna get these fillets breaded. You might be able to tell I have them lightly seasoned. This is our golden tilapia. Very beautiful looking fish. And the seasoning I'm using is a local seasoning. It's Goya adobo, and it's an all-purpose seasoning. And it says with pepper. And the seasoning's really good. It's kind of got a seasoned salt taste to it, but it also has a little bit of a citrus taste to it, in my opinion. So I think it'll be great for fish. So first thing I want to do is I'm going to take my fillet and I'm going to dip it straight into the flour. Just a little bit, just enough to kind of dry it up a little bit. From there, I'm going to take it straight into the egg wash. And then back into the flour. So guys, check out these beautiful golden crispy fillets. So this is the golden tilapia that I caught. It's the second to last day. It's our last full day here in Puerto Rico, and we finally figured out how to catch these fish. All it took was a really small crankbait and a color that they liked. I didn't bring a whole lot of fishing tackle. You know, when you're flying as many miles as we flew to get here, it's hard to bring everything that you want to bring, but we finally put it all together, second to last day here, and I have these beautiful golden crispy fillets. I'm really looking forward to trying them. So let me dive in. That looks so good. Not sure if you can tell. Looks pretty nice and white and flaky. I'm going to try it as is with just a little bit of that Goya seasoning. And then I'm going to put some lime on it. Wow. That is so good. It's a real shame that we weren't able to figure out how to catch these fish earlier in the trip. Try it with the lime now. It is so good, guys. It's kind of a soft fish. It's beautiful. It's white. It's really mild. But the fry is perfect. It tastes great. It is a great tasting fish. Like I said, I just wish we would have figured out how to catch them earlier on in the trip. Thank you guys so much for watching Eat, Explore, Hunt and joining me on this catch and cook. I really enjoyed this Puerto Rico trip. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Plan on doing more catch and cooks in the future. Like I said, it's our second to last day here in Puerto Rico, our last full day. And I'm just very thankful for the opportunity to be here and have this experience that I had. We really experienced a lot of eye-opening things while here in Puerto Rico, and I'm forever grateful for those experiences. Thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good one.